welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share Sheet Pan Kebab in the oven. This is the easiest way to make kebabs on a sheet pan. These Sheet Pan Kebabs in the oven is juicy and delicious. Ground beef is mixed with fresh herbs, spices and then baked on a sheet pan to perfection with minimal shaping required. Here I am using 2 pounds of minced beef, onion ones chopped and skewed, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds crushed, half tablespoon cumin seeds crushed, half tablespoon red chilli flakes and half tablespoon black pepper powder and salt to your taste. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and you can add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and handful of coriander leaves chopped, 4 green chilies chopped. You can mix all these ingredients together. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste also. Mix everything together until everything combines well, and then you can cover it and refrigerate it for like 2 hours. You can always substitute the meat with chicken as well. Grease an oven safe dish or you can use a sheet pan, and then you can transfer the meat and flatten evenly. You can divide into 6 to 8 portions and mark impressions with a spatula. If you love juicy and flavorful Seekh Kebab and you don't want the hassle of skewers or grilling, this Sheet Pan Seekh Kebab recipe is just for you. This recipe is very easy, oven baked. We are shaping and baking it directly on a sheet pan. Finally, you can brush with oil and you can bake on the lowest oven rack at a temperature of 480 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. For topping, here I'm using 1 tablespoon tomato paste and adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you can add a little water also to make it a little looser. And then you can brush on top and broil on the top rack for like 4 minutes until it's golden. After 20 minutes of baking, you can remove from the oven and then you can brush the top with the tomato paste and then broil on the top rack high for 4 minutes until the kebabs develop a golden brown color with slightly charred edges. Once it's ready, you can take it out. Make sure to avoid overcooking to keep kebabs juicy. Here is the easy, juicy and flavorful and mess-free Sheet Pan Seekh Kebab in the oven. You must try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.